Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change region in Shadowgun Legends. To change the region in Shadowgun Legends, first of all, open up the Shadowgun Legends application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the main game menu, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left corner. Now, this will open up the Options tab. Click on Network from the top menu and then select the region you want to switch to. After selecting, click on Apply in green at the bottom. This will now ask you to restart the game. Tap on Restart to join in and reconnect to another region. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your region in Shadowgun Legends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.